Cups uncovered, a vital part of dining vocabulary. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to delve into a very basic yet essential part of the food and dining vocabulary: cups. Yes, those humble objects that hold our favorite beverages are not just useful, but also a fundamental part of English-speaking culture. Let's take a closer look. A cup is a small round container, typically with a handle, used to drink liquids like tea, coffee, water, juice, and many others. In the English language, the word cup is not just used for the item itself, but also as a unit of measurement in cooking. It's a versatile word, so it's important to understand its context in use. Cups come in many different types and names based on what they're used for. Here are some you might come across. 1. Mug. This is a type of cup typically used for hot beverages such as coffee or hot chocolate. It's usually larger and sturdier than a standard cup, and it often has a handle. 2. Teacup. As the name suggests, this cup is designed for drinking tea. It's generally smaller and more delicate than a mug, and it usually comes with a saucer. 3. Glass. While not technically a cup, this is a term for a container used to hold cold or room temperature drinks, such as water, soda, or juice. The word cup isn't just used literally in English. It's also part of some common phrases and idioms. For example, 1. Cup of tea. This phrase can mean a literal cup of tea, but it's often used idiomatically to mean something one likes or is good at. For instance, biking isn't really my cup of tea means that the person doesn't particularly enjoy biking. 2. In your cup. This phrase is less common but might come up in older literature or songs. It generally refers to what someone is drinking, often in the context of celebration or despair. For example, "What's in your cup tonight?" might be asked at a party. That brings us to the end of our introduction to cups in the English language. While it may seem simple, this everyday object carries more weight in English vocabulary than you might think. Whether you're ordering a cup of coffee, measuring ingredients for a recipe, or expressing your preferences, the word cup can come in handy. We hope this video has given you a better understanding of this piece of dining vocabulary, and we'll see you next time.